In this video, you'll learn how to use technical analysis and leverage the robust functionality available with Nadex charts. Let's get started. Once you've logged into your Nadex trading account, choose one of the three trading products: binary options, call spreads, or knockouts. And then click on one of the market classes and select an expiration option beneath one of the markets. In this example, we've clicked binary options, Forex, and then daily under Euro US dollar. Next, click on the specific contract you're interested in to populate a price chart, as well as bring up an order ticket on the right-hand side of the platform. By clicking on the Markets icon in the upper left-hand corner, or the double blue arrows, you can make the chart larger for your analysis. You can adjust the time interval for your chart by either using the drop-down menu in the upper left-hand corner, or by simply typing a number between 1 and 5 and hitting enter. You can choose your date range by selecting from the drop-down menu under the date range icon. You can zoom in or out by hovering your mouse over the prices on the right-hand side and scrolling, or by using the toggle buttons at the top of the chart. If you click and drag over the prices on the right-hand side, you can expand or condense the price range. You can move the chart up and down by clicking and dragging on the center of the chart. The latest price play button at the top will recenter the chart around the most recent price. The show icon allows you to choose what you'd like displayed on the chart, including indicators, drawings, open positions, and working orders. To populate the chart with pre-built technical analysis tools, select the ones you'd like displayed from the Indicators drop-down menu. Notice that by hovering over the eye icon, you'll see additional educational information on each technical indicator. To further customize your charts, there are tools to draw your own indicator levels. For example, using the Drawings drop-down menu, you can draw your own support and resistance levels, trend lines, channels, or even Fibonacci retracement overlay with just a couple of clicks. Top left corner to bottom right corner for a downward trend, or bottom left corner to upper right corner for an upward trend. To access all the chart customization tools, simply right-click on the chart. On this menu, once you've built and customized a chart to your liking, you can save the layout by clicking Save As and giving it a name. You'll then be able to quickly apply your settings to any chart by clicking Apply and choosing the saved layout you prefer. And there you have it. You can now set up charts your own way with robust in-platform charting functionality, getting you into the exciting action of Nadex prediction markets.